In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Telegram chat wallpaper. First, open the Telegram app on your device and make sure you're signed in. From your main chat list, look for the settings gear. It's usually at the bottom right on iOS or in the side menu on Android. Tap it to open your app settings. Inside settings, go to chat settings, then tap change chat background. This is where you control the wallpaper that appears behind all of your chats. You'll see a few choices here. You can pick one of Telegram's built-in images if you want something quick and polished. Select a solid color for a clean, minimal look, or upload a photo from your gallery to personalize things with your own image. As you try backgrounds, think about readability. Busy photos can make messages harder to see. If you love a detailed picture, consider choosing one with softer tones or plenty of empty space behind your text bubbles. You can also experiment with image alignment so important parts of the photo aren't hidden by your keyboard or message list. Before you commit, you can optionally toggle effects like blurred and motion. Blurred softens your image to make text stand out more. Motion adds a subtle parallax effect so the background shifts slightly when you tilt your phone. It's a nice touch, but if you prefer a static look or want to be mindful of battery use, keep it off. Once you're happy with the preview, tap Set Background. That's it for your global chat wallpaper. Your new background now appears in all conversations. If you want a unique look for one specific conversation, open that chat from your list. At the top, tap the person's name or their profile picture to open the chat details. On Android, tap the three vertical dots. On iOS, tap Edit. From there, choose Set Wallpaper on Android or Change Wallpaper on iOS. You'll see the same options as before. Pick a built-in image, a solid color, or one from your gallery. When it looks right, tap Apply. After you apply a per chat wallpaper, Telegram will send a message in that conversation offering your chat partner the option to use the same background. They can accept if they like the style or simply leave their own settings as they are. To recap, you can refresh your entire Telegram look through chat settings or give a single conversation its own vibe through that chat's profile. Take a moment to test readability and effects, then set it and enjoy a cleaner, more personal messaging experience.